My name is Isabelle Barugel. I've been an English teacher for 23 years now. First thing, I switch on the computer, LMS and littlebird.com. Of course, at the beginning I was a bit scared because I thought it was going to be very difficult for me to use it. I got used to it and I find it really fantastic.
Little Bridge, c'est quelque chose que j'aime vraiment.
J'apprends l'anglais depuis 2 ans.
Et grâce à ça, j'apprends très facilement l'anglais.
The most important for them and the part they love, I think, are the activities we do together, and everybody wants to answer. When they have little problems or when they are not confident, we take the book. And in the book we have written activities.
كنخدم في Little Bridge 5 ديال السيمانات.
J'utilise Little Bridge à l'école et à la maison. J'utilise Little Bridge sur ma tablette.
I usually finish with either with the song or the poem, and even pupils who are shy, when I ask them to come and to recite the poem in English, they forget their shyness and they are so proud. No doubt it's really different because with this method it's as if we were in England.
My name is Gina. I am 9 years old. I live in Morocco, in Casablanca. My favorite character is Grace. I love Little Bridge.
Of course, I think without the LMS, the method wouldn't be complete. For me, it's essential concerning flashcards, copy masters, audio tracks, and so on. We can't do without. And when I want to see if they go on their account, of course, I log in and then I can see who goes, what they do.
قبل كنت ماشي مزيانة في الإنجليزية ولكن ماما وبابا بقاو كيشجعوني ووليت مزيانة.
Parents are really interested in the fact that children can use an account at home, and they find this new way really interesting. When I meet them when school is over, all of them are really satisfied with the method, and they can even see that their children progress.
Oui, mes parents sont contents que j'apprenne avec Little Bridge.
The interesting part, I think, is that children can do that by themselves. For once, they don't need their parents. For French or math or something else, parents have to sit with the child and explain and so on. But for English, they do that by themselves. And this is the fantastic part of it, I think.